All right, so today's adventure is a little different. There's a road that I frequently drive through, and today I wanted to kind of show what it looks like off the side, because when you're on the actual road itself, you can't see anything but the road in front of you, and it's pretty windy. Down the edge, it's got some really pretty scenery. In fact, the old road used to go down at the bottom of the canyon. I'm going to kind of show this now. You can actually see the road right here. The old road used to be down there, and it would wind up this canyon. And so I want to, today's just a drone flight. I want to show you what it looks like off the side, because right now, this time of year, it's super pretty because we're in spring, so it's green in a lot of spots, and it looks really, really nice. So enjoy the flight.